Juicers make it easy to turn fruits and veggies into fresh drinks and sauces while keeping their nutrients intact, perfect for quick, healthy meal prep. The Imarflex Juice Extractor IJE5000 is a compact and efficient juicer ideal for small kitchens. It features a powerful motor, simple controls, and detachable parts for easy cleaning. Users love its quiet operation and quick juice extraction, calling it beginner-friendly and great value for the price. The BioloMix Cold Press Whole Slow Juicer SJ017 features a wide-mouth design that juices whole fruits and veggies without pre-cutting. Built with durable, BPA-free Triton material, it ensures smooth, pulp-free results. Users love its quiet performance, easy cleaning with the included brush, and excellent juice pulp separation for fresh, nutrient-rich drinks. The MIUI Slow Juicer B03B offers strong extraction and a spacious chute that fits larger fruit pieces with less prep. It's designed for efficiency, squeezing out every last drop while maintaining a high juice yield. Users highlight its durability, easy cleaning, and convenience for preparing big batches of fresh juice. The Hanabishi Juice Extractor HIPJ500SS offers affordable and efficient performance with a compact, easy-to-clean design. It extracts juice quickly with minimal waste and simple controls, making it ideal for small kitchens. Users praise its reliability and good juice yield, calling it a great value choice for budget-conscious buyers. The Edmark Smart Mini Slow Juicer is a compact multifunction appliance that doubles as a juicer and ice cream maker. It's lightweight, easy to clean, and perfect for small spaces. Users love its nutrient-preserving slow juicing and fresh results, calling it a fun and versatile choice for quick, healthy drinks.